guys. Okay, he said we are going to MMA. That's Murtala Mohammed Airport, right?
Accident and Investigation Wing.
Okay. So, guys, hey, he's taking me out. This my sugar. He said it's my sugar. My sugar is taking me out. So,
in Lagos,
let me go and.
We are in Lagos.
We are in Lagos now. They know now. They know now.
It's not Abakaliki. It's Lagos.
So, let me go and see what he has for me, guys. No. Let me be touching him so that he'll be driving well.
Concentrating.
Alright, guys, let's go. Just follow us. Let's see where we are going to. It is only in Lagos that rain will be falling and people will be plenty outside still doing their business. Okay, just see. People are not even running away from the rain. I don't know if you guys are seeing it here. See, they are not even running away from the rain. Look, everybody is just entering bus as if it's normal thing. Huh?
Lagos, Ikeja don't change.
Kaduna hivi anine na rukwaro na Kaduna. Kana babu stand service set. Na Kaduna ba? You know it was nobody that brought the idea of railway. Yeah? During good luck time. It's just that to go to that side, you know, it's Rigata side. It's far. To go to that side and God say, let me enter train. Train in Kenya can reduce the population now and also. Just a Nigeria, they don't try to organize like that. Maybe I need to be. Cafe,
Eba. Eba, the airport now.
Ikeja.
We are going to MMA now.
I am the airport. Kita.
I know. The airport, they are approach.
Let me see. You know, I'm gonna care on your hotel. I can Joy. What airport corner?
Airport.
Joy.
Now approach now. We don't Ikeja long. We don't pass Ikeja long.
not working.
There's a traffic. There's somebody there now.
Not working.
You always watch the person there. You check the traffic if he says to come. Anytime you see traffic and you see somebody that is there, the person that is there you'll be looking at, not the traffic. You understand?
I know now. That's what I'm saying.
Not the lights.
Yeah.
Anytime you see somebody there on uniform controlling traffic, it's the person you'll be watching, not the lights. He takes charge of the lights. See airport. See, are you videoing this?
I'm videoing now.
Take one away. MMA2,
Let's hold up.
They are turning. Yeah, I'm not turning. I'm going straight. That's it, over 4 years.
Huh?
I said that's it, over 4 years.
Yeah, rain did not even 4 years. It's dried now, look at it. Maybe it fell in the morning because that field is a little bit wet.
Yeah.
But not now.
Fathers and parents. It's for the sons and daughters to be more than better than the.
Over how many plots or God into Manokwe hello Ofuno Chakwana 1 million on where more than 70 something plots. Though na Jora 25 no nebe the cheap. Now these other ones Ofodo no nebe 1.5. Ofodo no nebe 900,000. Okuyota. Manana ya jiri ne togodo onwe anya som. Oblo fancha. Jiri ne to onwe anya ya gida ahunwo. Come where the plot jiri the area. Some people are just so stingy with their life too. Like in a stinginess, you make way on health. Make way on your life. This is Legend. Legend Hotel. Legend.
At the airport.
At the airport.
This is airport. Don't come and pack in now. No, now you know the moves. I want from me. I know what you want. I won't grab you. So this place is right. I had even the kids they were talking about download. Talking about download, no every year.
Virgin, very big company. I'm with security man. Kaduna, even in. I want one of the Nigerian berries. I can't do that. Connection. Thank God it did not rain. Yeah. And even it rain here.
I hear the fear is fast.
You will just sink inside here. I'm telling you.
Accident investigation. Any accident that happens, airport, aeroplane.
Yeah.
They're the one that investigates it. See the signboard, see the office in the front.
Okay.
Any accident, aeroplane accident, helicopter, anyone, they're the one that takes charge, investigates. So what the root cause of the accident? Was it negligence? Was it just accident or understand?
Okay. I'll go for a business admin. I'm not got in the business. Yeah.
This video, this is very well for you. Video the name now. Accident investigation.
Maybe you're parking.
I don't find fire to park already.